Whenever I listened to their videos, I got to learn plethora of information, resourceful information. And after listening to their video, I used to practice mock tests. So that meant a lot for me. And no words are enough to compliment their services. In addition to this, the team of elite expertise are very active. They give me reply in just like 1 minute. So I would like to appreciate all the elite expertise team for your tremendous services.
Hello everyone, welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni, one of the members of Light Expertise, and today we have with us Sarfaraz. Hi Sarfaraz, welcome to Light Expertise and congratulations on clearing your OPRA exam. How are you feeling?
First and foremost, I would like to thank you, Sodamini, for your appreciation and for your warm welcome. I'm ecstatic, or I can say I'm thrilled. As you know, after a monotonous schedule, I heaved a sigh of relief by seeing the result of OPRA. So it's just like a blessing situation for me to have a conversation in this platform.
Thank you so much, Sarfaraz, for those beautiful words. Please tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
I'm from Hyderabad, India. I completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy from MRM College of Pharmacy, and I completed my Master of Pharmacy from Anurag Group of Institution.
Okay, so in which year did you complete your bachelor's and master's?
I completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy in 2013, and then I completed my Master of Pharmacy in 2015.
So from 2015 2025, 10 years of gap. So how did you cover this bridge?
Yeah, it's like a huge gap. So at that point of time, after completing my Master of Pharmacy, I was totally engaged in some professional activities and some my personal commitments. So I was engrossed in learning something new which would be beneficial for my future. So the time flies. I never know.
Okay, so why did you choose Australia?
As you will certainly agree with me that, or I can say, needless to say, that Australia is one of the best destination for the students because Australia is providing world-class quality of education and better career opportunities when it comes to medical professionals. And Australian weather is just like an Indian weather. We can survive easily, not a problem.
Right. And how did you come in contact with Elite Expertise?
I came in contact with elite expertise. Actually, I was watching one video on YouTube. I remember I watched one video of Arief sir on YouTube. It was just like tremendous video, like it was about respiratory system. So the way he touted is just like a second to none. So after listening to that video, I have made up my mind to join elite expertise for better career opportunities or to crack the OPRA.
Okay, so now let's talk about your OPRA journey. In how much
Yeah.
time preparation you completed your OPRA?
It was about 3.5 months to crack the OPRA. So I spent, 3 to 4 months in order to prepare the OPRA.
Okay, and each day, how much time did you spend?
About 2 to 3 hours. But at the beginning, I used to learn once in a blue moon. But after before 1 month, I used to study about 16 to 18 hours per day because I had to crack the OPRA in first attempt.
Exactly. My next question was exactly the same. How was your last month? How was your last month preparation?
It was a very hectic schedule. I was totally engrossed in learning OPRA, and the video's length was very lengthy, like 7 to 8 hours lecture. So I was enthusiastic about learning OPRA. So I spent my quality of time towards learning OPRA, and I have to gain the knowledge so as to prove myself in order to crack the OPRA in the first attempt. So I spent quality of time in learning OPRA.
So, how did you manage your time with job, learning, then family? How could you manage everything and clear your OPRA exam in first go?
At this point, I would like to share one quote in order to achieve something, we have to burn the midnight oil. And where there is a will, there is a hope, you know. So actually, I have determined to crack the opera in first attempt. So I was very passionate. I did not think anything rather than opera. So I was consistent and determined. That's why I cracked the opera in the very first attempt.
Okay. And what did you love about Elite Expertise, especially about Harika ma'am and Arief sir?
Both are just amazing, and it admits no doubt that the way they indoctrinate us is second to none, you know, and the way he taught us is just amazing. Whenever I listen to their videos, I got to learn plethora of information, resourceful information, and after listening to their video, I used to practice mock tests. So that meant a lot for me, and no words are enough to compliment their services. In addition to this, the team of elite expertise are very active. They give me reply in just 1 minute. So I would like to appreciate all the elite expertise team for your tremendous services.
Thank you so much, Sarfaraz. It means a lot. Okay, my next question to you is, do you have any tips for our future aspirants who would be appearing for OPRA in November and March?
Yeah, a person who wants to clear OPRA exam the very first attempt, you just follow Madam and Sir's lecture blindly. If you want to follow lectures and you have to prove yourself, if you give time 2 to 3 hours per day, that's more than sufficient. Regular attend the classes, follow Arief sir and Harika ma'am instructions, be consistent and perseverant. That's more than enough.
So, since you have given this tips for our future aspirant, what was your secret to clear this exam? What was your magic mantra?
My magic mantra was my consistency and believing in myself. One word I can say, I was believing in myself. That's the reason I cracked the opera in very first attempt. I knew that I would definitely achieve the opera because I believe in my preparation and I believe in sirs and madams the way he taught us.
That's really nice to hear. You are a very positive person and you really respect yourself first, which is very important and which is very nice. So, my last question to you is, how highly do you recommend Elite Expertise?
I definitely recommend elite expertise because, as you know, that I'm very optimistic person. So, as far as I'm concerned, I would recommend elite expertise not only for gaining knowledge, but also in order to achieve your dreams. Because, needless to say, that the way both Harika ma'am as well as Harika ma'am as well as Arif sir, the way they teach us is just amazing, and I got to learn abundance of things while learning the videos of both the madam and the sir. So I strongly recommend elite expertise if you have a strong desire to crack the opera in the very first attempt.
Okay, thank you so much, Sarfaraz. And I am really very sure that all the students would be very inspired. Thank you so much and all the very best. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.